If your reality looks dull, you need a Vision Pro. Here's why. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a gadget, it's a mixed reality revolution. Announced in 2023, this headset uses the powerhouse M2 chip, paired with the R1 coprocessor for real-time sensor input. What does that mean? Seamless, ultra-responsive performance. It comes in 3 storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 terabyte. You'll get about 2.5 hours of battery life, perfect for those immersive sessions. And if you're worried about running out of juice, just plug it into a USB-C port on your Mac or an external power supply. But here's the kicker. Apple's Vision Pro is more than just tech. It's designed to blend your digital and physical worlds effortlessly. You can interact with apps using your eyes, hands, and voice. And the display? Crystal clear and stunningly real. Worried about protecting your investment? Check out the SKBI series case, offering top-notch protection against bumps and drops. Now, get ready to explore new realities with the Apple Vision Pro.